Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and now we are going to talk about what is going on with the cryptocurrency market, because the SEC is going to sue Binance, and when the news came out, the cryptocurrency market crashed. As you can see here, within the last 24 hours, basically every coin crashed big time. Yeah, of course not the stable coins because of this news. Let me show you guys. Of course guys, if you want to trade the upcoming volatility, if you use the links down in the description for Bybit and for Phemex, you will always get the highest available bonuses. So let me show you guys what happened. Binance US and CC, that's their CEO, offered unregistered securities to the general public in the form of the BNB token and Binance linked BUSD stablecoin, said the suit, which also alleges that Binance staking service violates securities law. Okay, so guys, let me show you. As you saw, everything dropped, and as you can see here, what is going on, let me show you. The Bitcoin has been trading in this descending channel for a longer time. As you can see, it started on 12th of April and we are still within this channel. Okay, we got rejected from the upper line here, went down here, and now we got rejected here again. And what happened yesterday, let me show you. Let me zoom in. As you can see here, we were trading in this ascending triangle here, and then when the news came out, we just broke down here. We even broke through this green support zone here, and as of right now we are trading around this line here, guys. Let me show you so that you can see it better. As you can see here, we almost touched the lower support line of this descending channel, and as you can see here, we are trading a little bit above it. Okay guys, so this means we have the yellow support line below us plus this green support zone. The question now is, how should we trade now? As you can see here, the RSI is in the oversold level, yeah, on the 4-hourly time frame. This could be a chance to enter a long position, guys. Yeah, a long position, because always, usually when the RSI is oversold, as you can see here, for example, it goes up again. Okay, and we are again in the oversold territory now. So we could enter a long position, yeah, and you could place a stop loss below this green support zone. Yeah, let's say about here 24,600, or even a little bit lower, 24,500, because if we would go this low, we would have to break the yellow support line, plus we would have to break the green support zone, guys. Okay, so if we would break all of these levels, then we could go as low as the next support is around 24,000, and then 23,800. So you could enter a long trade here with a stop loss below here, let's say about $20,500. And let me also show you guys what's going on with Ethereum. Okay, as you can see here, Ethereum has been trading within this blue ascending triangle, yeah, and then when the news came out, we also broke to the downside, and as you can see, as of right now, we are trading around this support level here, yeah, at $1,818. As you can see here, we also have this yellow support line below us. So right now Ethereum has two support zones, or two support levels below the current price level. As you can see here, the blue zone, the blue line here, guys, the blue line plus the yellow line. This is also a trade opportunity right now, because as you can see here, also the RSI is in the oversold territory, yeah, and when it's oversold, it usually always goes up again. So we could also enter a long position here, and in this case I would put the stop loss below this swing low here. So let's say below this zone even, because the next support zone here, or support level, is at $1,763. So I would put the stop loss below this here, so we could enter long position, place the stop loss down here, and the next resistance is up here at the 1,866, for example, and then at $1,912. So we could enter long positions for Bitcoin and for Ethereum. The stop loss price levels I told you. So guys, that's what's going on at the moment. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.